Alright guys, here's a quick video on how to start up and light and use a Furrion RV propane oven grill top. So the grill top's easy. You have a glass cover here, you lift that up. First step, you just want to make sure your propane tank's on. So you just want to open up your propane door here, turn it open all the way open. That's it, that's step one. Make sure that's in, and make sure you got propane in here. This is 3/4 full. We're good to go. Okay, now you have the propane on. I've got the light on just to kind of show you here. One thing you'll want to do is just make sure you have some kind of a window crack, the door open, maybe the vent going, just so you have some air circulation going through here to feed the propane, the fire for the propane. Okay, so to do the top here is easy. So let's say I want to do, you know, the back burner here. Okay, you just turn it on to, see there's a flame icon. You can hear it, and you just give it a click. Fires right up. Okay, you can do that for each of the 3 burner tops. So this is just like your regular oven at home or like a barbecue grill. So those are easy. I found that the oven, so this knob over here is for the oven control. If you see on here, it has the temperatures, 350, 400, 450, and so forth. Now, I struggled with this for a little bit to try to get this started, and called the tech help, and they kind of walked me through it. So, because these ones start up so quickly, you think that the oven would as well, but that's not necessarily the case. It takes almost 30 seconds to a minute for this thing to light. So, open up your oven. This is a little tip. Get you a pizza stone so you don't burn everything you put in here. That's a little tip that you can. This is probably just a little 12-inch round pizza stone. Okay, so we have it open here. Here's our lighter knob. Here's our gas knobs. Okay, so what we're going to do here to light the oven, we have it on off right now. We're going to turn it to just this first setting here. It doesn't lock in anywhere, so you just basically you're lining it up to there. And then I'm going to hold it in for about 30 seconds to a minute. So see how the knob pushes in like that? So I'm going to get it on the light. I'm going to hold it in. And then after about 30 seconds, I'm going to turn the lighter knob, the far left knob. And it should light up. If it doesn't wait, it doesn't after 30 seconds, wait another 30 seconds up to a minute and try lighting it. Okay, so see it lit up. Now I'm just going to give it a little more gas, turn up the temperature on it. Now we're good to go. Okay, thanks for watching.